Modern approaches to marketing are making the world uglier, not more beautiful. And when I say beautiful, I don't mean the kind of synthetic beauty that we see on magazines, airbrushed, this kind of AI art. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about the deep human beauty that comes from the natural world. The kind of beauty that has people want to keep going in the world, that has people want to jump up and live again another day, even when the world is so hard. I think the world's fundamentally a beautiful place, and we desecrate this beauty on the regular. And one of the ways that we desecrate it is the way that we treat each other in marketing and sales, that we look at people as numbers, as objects, as resources to be exploited to meet our own sales goals. And so it strikes me that given the times that we're in, entrepreneurs need to be engaged not just in marketing and sales, but in a kind of culture work. And I mean culture is that kind of living fabric and substance of goodwill and trust between us, like the bacterial culture that keeps our soils alive. There are ways that we can act that are profoundly antibiotic, that actually destroy that culture, that kill it. And then nothing grows, not just for you, but for any of us. So I think as modern entrepreneurs, we need to take a wider scope of kinship and relationship and of time. Not just thinking about ourselves and our business, but of thinking about those that are going to come. I think modern marketers need to be culture workers. And we need to be working to restore the beauty of the marketplace because it's become so ugly. With AI, who knows what to trust anymore? And the trust was already low before AI showed up with the coercive, manipulative tactics. But there's a way to market that is trauma-informed, that's consent-based, that's conscience-driven, that deeply honors the dignity of everyone it comes into contact with, and by so doing, reaffirms their own sense of worth. And I think this makes the world a more beautiful place to be. That's what I want to talk about at the South by Southwest talk. So if that's of interest to you, marketing as culture work, restoring the original beauty of the marketplace, that's what it's going to be about. I do think the market has good roots. The market was originally the place where our ancestors would get together and say, hey, here's what I've been up to since I saw you last. Do you see this beautiful corn? Well, my children grew that. And you see this spoon, it's not very good, but my daughter made it. Would you maybe buy it to encourage her and support her in this craft? The market is a place of goodwill, conviviality, and beauty, or at least it can be again. Thanks for your consideration.